Hi everyone, today I will show you my admin bot for my mobile shop. In this project I use Ninject, Entity Framework, AutoMapper and Telegram bot libraries. In this project I have two libraries, Shop Admin and Shop DAO. Shop DAO library you can see in my video about gRPC server. This is the same library for sending information to DB. I want to start with program CS. In this class I initialize chatbot model. And also I have app info class. In this class I have bot ID string, chat ID, admin, and current language in my bot. So I must start with chatbot model. In this class I have some static fields. Telegram bot client. This is a class from library Telegram bot from NuGet. Then I have cancellation token, bot request model, and I have IOC container for DB. In constructor I get models from this library DAO, and then I initialized my bot. Also I have this handle update method. To this method I request information about chat from chatbot, and then I respond for this message. For example, when bot starts, I ask user password to this bot, and then I send some text to chat. For example, this method I get some text and send this text to user. Then I have bot commands model. In this model I create connection to DB and save or change some information from Telegram bot to my DB. Then I have bot request model. In this model I launch send some buttons for menu in Telegram bot. For example, this is starts button and other buttons. Then I have bot send model. In this model I have methods for sending text, error, text with inline keyboard buttons, with links, with send photo with text to chat, send voice message, media group, etc. Then I have inline keyboard chat model. In this model I send some inline keyboard button to chat. For example, with switch or with link or multi buttons or um, only buttons. And then I have reply keyboard chat. This is keyboard methods which I use in my bot. Then I have some models and interface for using data from DB and sending this data to DB. The same models you can see in my JPC server project. In this models service I use mapper and IOC container. So I want to show you how my bot works. I have Android emulator with my app shop. For example, I have 3 categories with 4 products in these categories, this and this. And for example, I have only one use in app. So then you can see my bot for this shop. I choose language, for example, English. Then I want to create news for my app. I choose button with show all news, and what? Oh yeah, I get data from DB. So I want to create new news. For these tasks, I must use my tags create with name and description for news. So I cut this text. For example, name test, in Ukrainian test, and in English test. Description, for example, test description. So and then I send this tag with data to my bot server. Yeah, news already adding, and then if I reload this page, yeah, I get my news. And then I can change this news. For example, if I want to change this news, I must know ID this news. So I show all news. I get ID this news, this ID too, and then I change. And I use edit news tag, and I add, for example, some image. What image I can use? Oh yeah, for example, this image. Okay, and for news with number 2 ID. So yeah, news edit, and then I reload my page and I get news with photo. Then for example, I must add new categories products for my shop. So I must add categories, create create category. Okay. Category name, for example, food. In Ukrainian food, and in English food. Yeah. So yeah. And if I reload this page, you can't see new category because I didn't add a new product to this category, so I must create new product. For category, so I need show, yeah, these all categories. Find show, yeah, ID 7. So then I must create new product, create, and use these tags. Yeah. For example, name, for example, Apple. Apple description for this product. Very good Apple. Production count, stock kilograms. Category ID 7. Product price 100. And discount, for example, 90. And I choose, for example, this photo. And then I send this message. And then I reload this page. Yeah. And you can see new category in my shop with one food. This is because I can't add name in English, so if I change language to Russian, yeah, I get this text. So in this admin bot, I can add news, products, categories about us, order. I can't add. So and yeah, this is my bot for this shop. So this all I want to show you. See you in next videos. Bye bye.